Alright guys, I think what I want to do is restack this firewood. This is all just for outdoor burning purposes. We don't burn any of this stuff indoors, it's mostly pine. But it's about 4 different stacks, maybe starting on a 5th one at some point, or even a 6th one over there. I don't know what was really going through my head when I first stacked this. But I think I want to stack it here along the bank. Do one long stack instead of 4 or 5 different ones. So let's get that started. Okay, so let's take a walk down here and see what else we have left to do. We had an ice storm come through about 2 years ago, and we had a couple of trees, large ones that fell and created a domino effect that knocked trees down, throughout the woods there, and then they ended up across the road, completely blocking the road. There was no way to get around it. Nikki was about 8.5 months pregnant, and she was ready to pop at any time, so we had to get the road open back up in case some kind of an emergency came up. So we ended up going out and getting a new chainsaw because we couldn't get ours started. It was a whole ordeal, but you can see we still got some major cleanup to do. So this log is going to turn into cookies, as well as this long one here, and then this guy is going to turn cookies maybe as well. I'm not 100% sure yet what we're going to do, but I think this is going to be a saw log, maybe 2 of them actually. Should have hopefully some decent crotch figuring down here. We got a whole lot of cleanup to do. I mean, this is a massive undertaking, and it's all going to be outdoor firewood. So who knows, maybe I'll end up extending that. Who knows, maybe I'll end up extending the firewood stack further down. But anyway, that's what's going on. We'll keep you guys updated along the way. Hopefully get this stuff knocked out before it gets really cold out and everything gets kind of frozen to the ground.